After LG said it was going to shake up its phone release timetable, it officially unveiled the LG G7 at a New York presser. Overall, the phone looks similar to its G6 predecessor, but here are the 5 biggest changes in the G7. First, and you can't miss it, but there's a notch. Popularized mostly by the iPhone X, the G7 has a notch sitting on the top of its screen, like other Android phones, including the Huawei P20 and upcoming OnePlus 6. The notch makes room for a thinner bezel and houses a front-facing camera and in-ear speaker. If you don't like the notch, you can add black bars to the sides for a more traditional look. Second, the G7's camera has a few new tricks. But one standout feature is its emphasis on artificial intelligence. Now, companies use this term liberally, and it includes a lot of different things depending on who you're asking. But these features fold into LG's whole thin-Q smart devices branding. The camera can identify more than 1,000 objects and images, and recognize scenes and apply different photo settings depending on the situation. So, if you're snapping photos of a person, a plant, a sunset, or whatever, it'll recognize it and adjust accordingly. Keep in mind, a lot of cameras and phones already do some version of this technology. Speaking of AI, the G7 has a hotkey on the left for Google Assistant, similar to Samsung's Bixby button on Galaxy phones. The G7 is the first phone to have its own button for Assistant, and it's not customizable. Just like the Pixel 2 phones, when you squeeze their sides, only Assistant launches. There's a headphone jack. Unlike a few flagship phones that are ditching it, the G7 still has a jack for your wired headphones.
Some cars are quite good.
Lastly, LG upped the G7's audio quality. Though there's only one speaker, the inside of the G7's body acts as a resonance chamber, and LG claims that the phone's audio is 39% louder than the G6. During our brief time with it, we found that the volume levels were indeed louder, but we'll know more about quality once we get our hands on a review unit. And that's the lowdown on the LG G7. For more info, including specs and photos, head over to CNET.com.